Hey everyone, it's Tom from eReplacementParts.com, and it's a beautiful sunny day. We've got the grill fired up. We've got some chicken under here right now, and we thought it'd be a great opportunity to show you how to make a really easy, sweet and tangy homemade barbecue sauce. This one in particular is great for chicken and for ribs. It only takes a few ingredients. You probably have them kicking around your fridge and your pantry anyway, and I promise it'll blow anything you can get at the grocery store out of the water. Let's get this going. So for this sauce, what we're gonna need is some kosher salt, some crushed black pepper, some paprika, some brown sugar, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, white vinegar, and butter. All very common ingredients, and this is gonna make one delicious sweet and tangy barbecue sauce. So for this sauce, we're gonna start out with a cup of ketchup, a half a cup of plain old white vinegar, and that's going to add a real tangy flavor to this barbecue sauce, and a quarter cup of butter. That's gonna make this sauce real creamy and delicious. You're gonna add a quarter cup of brown sugar, and that sugar is gonna caramelize and become nice and sweet and sticky and make this sauce really delicious. And then for the rest of this stuff, we're gonna kind of eyeball it. First, we got some Worcestershire sauce. That'll add some delightful, hard to pronounce flavor. We're gonna add a little bit of yellow mustard, add a little more tang to the party, add some delicious paprika, add some sweet and kind of smoky flavor, granulated garlic, again, just eyeballing this stuff for the most part. A little extra garlic in there, I'm not driving. A little bit of onion powder as well. And then finally, we're gonna season it with a little bit of black pepper and just some kosher salt. You can add a little more salt and pepper later if we want to, once we've had an opportunity to taste it. Not everybody likes spice, but I have checked with my guests here and everybody's pretty cool with it, so we are gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Just a little bit, add a little heat to the party. So then all we're gonna do is we're gonna mix that up a little bit. It doesn't have to be too mixed right off the top because we are gonna cook this. So now that we've got all of our ingredients into the pot, we're gonna need to cook this sauce down. First of all, to melt the butter, but also to get all those flavors to get to know each other in the pot and to cook down, reduce a little bit and become really sweet, sticky, and delicious. So you can do this on your stovetop, you can do it on the side burner on your grill if you want to. We've got the grill cooking already, so we may as well just throw it on here. We're gonna cook this down for a little while until that butter is melted, everybody's gotten to know each other, everybody's incorporated, and the sauce is nice and thick. So that butter is melted, the sauce is cooked down, it's to that consistency that we want it, where it almost draw a bit of a gap in it there. That's the right consistency, we're ready to go. It smells incredible, I wish you could smell this. So we're ready to get this put onto our chicken. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. So now that those are sauced up, we can put them back on the grill and finish them on indirect heat. Oh man, barbecue sauce is dynamite. I might have to eat this whole thing. Thanks so much for watching. Share your homemade barbecue sauce tips with us in the comments. We'd love to try them. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.